time. Everybody's really hungry.
I can get this done a lot quicker. The birds would get on my way. No, daddy chores.
Look, Pigwidgeon's already chowing down.
Oh my goodness. Nope, stop.
They're obsessed. These up here are all like, oh
my god.
And here's Hedwig waiting. There's Ashley waiting. And usually we find Toot Toot up there waiting. There he is right there. Or Tootsie. We call him Toot Toot for short.
Thank you.
Earlier, Phoebe was in the Nutriberry bucket. Now he's trying to get in the Nutriberry bag.
Y'all know that y'all are eating out of the bucket.
They're obsessed with snack time. You say, Daddy's a good cook. There's Hedwig. Hedwig's like, please, please. Ah, ah.
Alright. I know, it's coming. Well. Okay. Oh, Toot Toot. Okay. Ooh, give me that.
What do you have?
Okay, do I got it? Yes! There they are. Now, to put their little behinds in their cages. Look at this. It's just nuts. This is what I go through every day. And when I get to, yes! You meanie? Okay.
Toot Toot, you have to come into the... Come on, come on. You have to come into the bird room. There's Toot Toot. And they're all down there still chowing down. Pigwidgeon's like, where's mine?
Come here.
This is the easiest time to get everybody back in their cage, though. Even Hedwig goes back in her cage. Pigwidgeon.
Where's Piggy?
Piggy. He's looking for the food in somebody else's cage.
Okay. Come here.
There you go. That was easy. And look,
that ain't yours.
Tootsie's waiting. Tootsie's like, hello, where's my bowl? He's like, I will let Daddy know. Where's my food? BB's already in his cage. And there's Toot Toot, already eaten. This is the easiest time to get the breeders back in the cage, snack time. And Cody and Mia, who are one of our hardest, other than Ashley, they're really hard to get in, and they just go right back in.
Okay, let's see if Ashley goes in. Woo!
And Ashley goes right back in. It's not like we starve them, we don't. This is like an extra snack. They're just so excited about the extra snack in the day.
Oh. I mean, it was easy.